Hello my dear friends! Tulipical Makeup is with you, and this is my first video on YouTube channel, and we are going to make the gorgeous makeup in golden brown and dark green colors. So meet my beautiful angel Anastasia and let's get into it! First step, moisturizing. I'm moisturizing the angel's face with a very light oil to make her skin soft and shiny. I'm going to use a Dior Backstage foundation because it gives a really good covering, a very natural look, and it can be used with different types of skin. Next step, I'm going to light a central zone of a beauty's face using again a Dior Backstage foundation of a lighter color. Now I'm neutralizing the purple under-eye shades using some color concealer. Next step, I'm going to blend the border between the eye zone and the face using the standard concealer that I really like. And then goes the fixing puffs. Puff, puff, puff. Now guys, we are turning to dry correction. I'm applying the powder all over the face with a big soft brush. And then I put a little more under the eye zone with the help of the smaller one. Well, that powder gives us a very nice Photoshop look, and it also will help to remove some unwanted pieces of eyeshadows which may fall on the face during the eye makeup. As a primer for dry eyeshadows, I'm going to use a matte liquid eyeshadow of a warm brown color. I'm gonna apply it on the upper and the lower eyelid. So here comes some dark brown pencil to the lower eyelashes line, and we are drawing the wing. So next we are going to fill our wing with the dry product. And that one is one of my favorites. It has a very nice deep brown color. I'm going to mix some friendly metal colors to fill the eyelid and to draw the form of the eye I want. To fill the external corner of the eye, I'm using a gorgeous magical palette. And by the way, if you have ever smelled it, well, you surely know how the paradise smells. Before doing our mascara, it's very important to darken the upper eyelashes line. I'm using the waterproof pencil and putting some to the lower eyelashes line. As for the waterline, I'm using a dark green pencil. It perfectly matches with the color of the angel's eyes. Next guys, I'm going to apply this very pencil a little bit higher than the wing. It gives a special green shade to Anastasia's eyes, and I really hope that you see it. And next step is combing hair on eyebrows. I'm doing that with the help of the soap. Drawing some additional hair. And fill the eyebrows with the shadows. Time for mascara, and I really like when it's not much mascara on eyes, because we're gonna use some fake eyelashes later That is why there is no need in huge amount of mascara on eyes. And here comes the savior of any makeup, the lashes. Well, actually this is the best glue for eyelashes ever. And I prefer to use beamform eyelashes. They are really much more comfortable for the client and they look not so artificial. For contouring, I'm using this shimmering bronzer from this very gorgeous Paradise Melon palette. I'm applying it to the cheekbones, headline, cheek zone. Here comes the blush, highlighter, and final steps: lining the lips, putting some Super Stay Matte lipstick, and of course, shining lip gloss. And voila! Hope that you enjoyed my first video on YouTube channel, so please give your thumbs up to me, my beautiful model Anastasia, and see you soon!